In this Onshape video, I'm going to share with you how you can scale a part that you have drawn. It's a question which I've been asked several times, and the answer is a little bit elusive at first. Today, I'm going to demystify how you can find and use the scale function in Onshape. Using this nice fidget spinner model here, imagine if this needed to be resized either larger or smaller. The tool you need to use to be able to scale something in Onshape is here, the transform tool. And the default setting for the transform tool is to translate by line. You actually need to click here in the transform type menu and choose scale. Then the options here change a little bit, and there are two variables that need to be supplied here. The first one is the entities which need to be transformed. You can click in that box and then select, in this case, the entire part. The second variable that you need to select is where you're going to scale that part around. And I find one of the easiest points to scale around is the origin. From there, it's a really straightforward of entering the scale factor in this box here. So if you want to make it 2 times, you can just type 2 there. What I'm doing is entering 2 and then hitting the tab key on my keyboard, and that's giving me a preview of what the new size will look like. I could equally go in there and type 0.5, and that will give me a preview of what the smaller reduced size will look like. You can see there that the scale transform takes both floating point and integers. So you could say 1.75. When you're happy with the number, you can click the tick, and the scale transform is now complete. So that's it. It's pretty straightforward. Pretty simple. You can, of course, double click on the transform feature later on to change that scale factor at any time. I hope you find this helpful. Until next time, see you later.